What if I told you that one of the smallest motorcycles in Honda's lineup could be one of the most important bikes ever built? What if this tiny dirt bike could be the machine that creates future motocross champions, adventure riders, and lifelong motorcycle enthusiasts? Today we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2027 Honda CRF50F, a motorcycle that proves size doesn't define greatness. You might think it's just another mini dirt bike. But by the end of this video, you may completely change your opinion. Stay with us until the very end, because we'll reveal why this little Honda continues to dominate the beginner off-road market, and whether it deserves the title of the best starter dirt bike. In 2027, a legendary name returns for decades. The Honda CRF50F has been the first motorcycle for countless riders. Around the world, it has earned a reputation for reliability, simplicity, safety, and fun. Many professional motocross racers began their riding journey on a CRF50F before moving on to larger competition machines. The 2027 model continues that incredible legacy. Instead of changing everything, Honda has focused on refining the motorcycle while keeping the characteristics that riders and families have loved. For years, the result is a dirt bike that feels familiar, dependable, and ready to help a new generation of riders learn valuable off-road skills. Honda understands that a beginner motorcycle should build confidence rather than intimidate the rider. That philosophy remains at the heart of the CRF50F, modern styling inspired by Honda's racing heritage. The first thing you'll notice about the 2027 Honda CRF50F is its sporty appearance. Even though it's designed for beginners, it looks like a miniature version of Honda's championship-winning motocross bikes. The sharp front fender, sleek side panels, compact fuel tank, bold CRF graphics, and aggressive stance give it a premium look. Honda's famous red color immediately catches attention, while the durable plastic bodywork is designed to withstand falls and scratches that naturally happen while learning. Despite its compact size, the CRF50F looks like a serious off-road motorcycle rather than a toy. That realistic appearance makes young riders feel excited and proud every time they climb onto the seat. Proven 49cc four-stroke engine powering the 2027 Honda CRF50F is Honda's trusted 49cc air-cooled single-cylinder four-stroke engine. This engine isn't designed to deliver explosive speed. Instead, it provides smooth, predictable, and easy-to-control power. That's exactly what beginners need. The gentle throttle response allows new riders to develop confidence without feeling overwhelmed. Every twist of the throttle feels controlled, making the motorcycle easy to manage on dirt trails, open fields, and beginner riding tracks. Another major advantage is Honda's legendary engine reliability. These engines are famous for running for years with basic maintenance. Families often keep a CRF50F for several years before passing it down to younger siblings or relatives. This durability has become one of the biggest reasons why the CRF50F continues to dominate the beginner dirt bike market. Easy semi-automatic transmission. Learning to ride can be challenging, but Honda has made the process much easier. The CRF50F features a 3-speed semi-automatic transmission. Riders simply shift gears using their foot, while the automatic clutch handles the rest. Without worrying about clutch operation, beginners can focus on steering, balance braking, and throttle control. This system not only makes riding easier, but also teaches proper gear shifting before riders eventually move on to larger manual clutch motorcycles. For parents introducing children to off-road riding, this feature provides extra peace of mind. Comfortable ergonomics for new riders. One of the biggest strengths of the Honda CRF50F is its rider-friendly design. The low seat height helps shorter riders place their feet firmly on the ground, increasing confidence during starts and stops. The wide handlebars provide excellent control, while the comfortable seating position reduces fatigue. During long riding sessions, everything about the motorcycle feels natural, making it much easier for beginners to learn basic riding techniques. Whether riding through grassy fields, dirt paths, or backyard practice areas, the CRF50F remains comfortable and predictable. Suspension built for learning. Honda has equipped the CRF50F with durable front telescopic forks and a reliable rear swing arm suspension system. These components absorb bumps, rocks, and uneven surfaces effectively while maintaining stability. Although this bike isn't intended for professional motocross racing or massive jumps, it performs exceptionally well on beginner trails and recreational off-road terrain. The suspension encourages riders to improve their skills without making the motorcycle feel difficult or unstable. That's exactly what a beginner dirt bike should do. Reliable braking performance. Braking confidence is just as important as engine performance. The Honda CRF50F uses dependable drum brakes that provide smooth and predictable stopping power. Instead of aggressive braking, riders experience gradual control, making it easier to learn safe braking techniques. This predictable braking performance helps prevent panic stops and improves overall riding confidence. Honda has carefully balanced safety and simplicity throughout. The motorcycle built to last. One of Honda's greatest strengths has always been durability. The 2027 CRF50F continues this tradition. With high-quality construction, a strong frame, dependable engine components, and rugged plastics designed for years of use. Unlike many budget motorcycles, the CRF50F is built to handle repeated practice sessions, occasional drops, muddy trails, and everyday adventures. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available. This makes ownership affordable, while giving riders confidence that their motorcycle will remain reliable for years. Fuel efficiency that saves money. The small 4-stroke engine consumes very little fuel. Riders can enjoy long practice sessions without worrying about frequent refueling. Combined with low maintenance costs and Honda's dependable engineering, the CRF50F remains one of the most economical dirt bikes available. For families purchasing a first motorcycle, this affordability becomes an important advantage. Riding experience the moment you start riding. The CRF50F feels friendly and predictable. Throttle response is smooth. Gear changes are simple. Steering feels light. The lightweight chassis allows riders to turn confidently around corners while maintaining excellent balance. Instead of fighting the motorcycle, beginners quickly begin building riding skills. Every ride becomes more enjoyable as confidence grows. That's why so many experienced riders still remember their first CRF50F. With great affection safety features, Honda has designed the CRF50F with beginner safety in mind. The smooth engine delivery reduces unexpected acceleration. The lightweight design improves balance. The comfortable riding position helps maintain control. The reliable braking system increases confidence during practice. These features work together to create a motorcycle that encourages learning in a safe and enjoyable way. Who should buy the 2027 Honda CRF50F? The CRF50F is ideal for young riders, complete beginners, families introducing children to motorcycling, and anyone looking for a dependable mini dirt bike. It is not designed for professional motocross competition or experienced racers seeking extreme performance. Instead, it excels at teaching the fundamentals of off-road riding while delivering years of reliable, fun competition. Several manufacturers offer beginner dirt bikes, but Honda continues to stand out. The CRF50F offers legendary reliability, excellent resale value, proven engineering, simple maintenance, comfortable ergonomics, and one of the strongest reputations in the industry. These qualities help it remain one of the world's most trusted beginner motorcycles year after year. Final verdict: the 2027 Honda CRF50F continues to prove why it has earned legendary status. It combines dependable Honda engineering, smooth power delivery, beginner-friendly handling, low ownership costs, excellent fuel efficiency, durable construction, and timeless styling into one complete package. Its greatest strength isn't its speed or horsepower. Its greatest strength is the confidence it gives every new rider. Every ride teaches valuable skills, builds experience, and creates unforgettable memories that often lead to a lifelong passion for motorcycles. So is the 2027 Honda CRF50F still one of the best beginner dirt bikes you can buy? Absolutely. Honda has once again delivered a motorcycle that perfectly balances safety, reliability, fun, and affordability. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, upcoming bike launches, and the latest two-wheel news. This is Bike Future, and we'll see you in the next exciting motorcycle review. Ride safe and keep your passion for bikes alive.